In this video, we will learn how to write the kanji character chichi for father. Chichi is 4 strokes. The first stroke tapers down and to the left. The second stroke increases in thickness down and to the right. The third and fourth strokes cross each other. The fourth stroke should thicken as you come down and to the right and then exit to the right, lifting your brush. This character can be read as chichi, to, and it means father. If you enjoy our videos, please support us by subscribing to our YouTube channel.